welcome to today's maths class, and today we'll do collecting and representing data. First is circle graph or the pie graph. So what are the circle graph or pie graph? Show a comparison of two or more numeric data. As the name suggests, circle graph are made up of circle. Circle से बना होता है which is sliced according to the division of data. The largest piece represent the biggest data and the smallest piece represent the smallest data and so on. They are also known as pie chart. Circle chart को हम pie chart भी कहते हैं और the pie graphs. Owing to their round shape and the slice of the pie allotted to their round shape and slice of pie allotted to the different division. Example लेते हैं. The adjacent pie graph shows the number of hours of family watches TV. A biggest portion so that the grandpa watches more TV than all others. So here you can see सबसे बड़ा जो fraction है वो किसका है? Grandpa का. So grandpa watches the TV maximum number of time या maximum number of hours. Clear? So by looking at the pie graph, you can answer all the questions given here. Next is line graphs. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. These are the days of week. Here आपको दे रखा है 1023 किलोमीटर पर आवर स्पीड दे रखी है. लाइक दिस ट्यूसडे को क्या स्पीड है, वेडनेसडे स्पीड, थर्सडे ऑल डेज की स्पीड दे रखी है. रिप्रेजेंट द डेटा इन द लाइन ग्राफ एंड आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन. What do the ups and downs in the graph show? Ups and downs here. आप देखेंगे हमने यहाँ पे horizontal axis पे क्या ले रखा है, days, and यहाँ पे on the vertical axis speed of wind. Speed of wind दे रखी है. So solution क्या हो जाएगा? The line graph can be made using the square paper. Square paper का use करके हम line graph draw कर सकते हैं. Draw the two axes and mark the days of the week on x-axis and speed of the wind on y-axis at equal interval. The first point is plotted at the intersection of the vertical line above Monday and the horizontal line across 103. Similarly, the points for the other days are also plotted. So, the ups and downs क्या show करता है? The ups and downs in the graph show the extent of variation in data. Means data में कितना variation हो रहा है, कब wind की speed बढ़ रही है या कम हो रही है, जो भी variation हो रहा है, it show that. The speed of the wind was not increasing or decreasing uniformly over the week. Means एक ही speed में नहीं change हो रहा है या कम हो रहा है या बढ़ नहीं रहा है, uniformly नहीं है, कभी ज़्यादा बढ़ रहा है, कभी कम हो रहा है. So it's not uniform, that it shows. Clear? Next is exercise 12.1. The circle graph shows the money spent on the haircut by the four friends. Study the graph and answer the question that follow. Who spent the most? So here by looking at the pie graph you can see. This is the fraction of Anup. So, he has spent the most. So, Anup has spent more on haircut. Clear? Next is collection of data tally chart. How do we collect data? Let us take an example. The canteen contractor of the school asked 20 students which sandwiches they preferred, butter, vegetable or egg. There was no other choice. He recorded the students' answer in following manners. So this is the table showing butter, vegetable like जो भी students ने बताया, अलग-अलग students ने उनकी choices यहाँ पे record की इस form में. Now it's not easy to get the information quickly from this type of recording because ऐसे देख के हमें पता नहीं चलेगा how many likes butter, how many likes vegetable and how many likes egg sandwich. So we can record the same information in the tally chart. A tally means the mark 1. This is for marks 1. One vertical line is for 1. The tally mark are shown as 2. 2 के लिए हम क्या है? 2 vertical lines. So इस तरीके से 2, 3 के लिए बनाएंगे, 4 के लिए बनाएंगे, 5 के लिए 4 vertical line and 1 slant line. Clear? If something happened 5 times, we show that this is the symbol for 5. Here tally marks for 5. We keep making blocks of 5s which make it easy to count. The canteen contractor writes a heading, butter sandwiches, vegetable sandwiches, egg sandwiches. When the first student say he prefer butter sandwiches, the contractor put 1 tally marks against butter. In this way, he goes on adding tally marks. He recorded the tallies in the blocks 5 as shown above. The data can be shown in the tally chart as follow. Butter sandwiches 5 and 1 6. 6 students like butter sandwiches. Vegetable sandwiches liked by 4 students. Egg sandwiches is liked by most of the students, that is 10. So now consider the following example. 60 minutes means 1 hour. We spent observing different vehicles passing through the road outside the school. The results are listed in the tally chart. So different vehicles are listed here: car, bus, truck, cycle, bike, scooter. Their tally marks like car के कितने 12. टोटल कितना हो जाएगा 12. Buses 8. So we'll write 8. Truck के कितने 5. So we'll write here 5. इस तरीके से हम tally marks लिख देंगे जितने भी उनके नंबर उनके अकॉर्डिंग. So from this tally chart we can see that 12 cars passes through the road, 8 buses passes through the road, 5 truck passes through the roads, 40 cycle passes through the road, 18 bike passes through the road and 16 scooter passes through the road. Next is exercise 12.2. Complete the following table, draw bar chart in each case. Here, favorite colors. Different colors are given here: red, white, black, blue, yellow, green. Tally marks दे रखे हैं. We have to write the total. Red 5 and 3, that is 8. Next, white 5 plus 5 10 and 4 14. Black 5 plus 4, that is 9. Then blue 16. 5 plus 5 10 plus 5 15 and 1 16. Yellow 7. Then green, that is like 11 student. So इस तरीके से हम कर लेंगे. Some more examples are given here. You have to practice all the examples, all the questions of this chapter. So here we end the chapter. I hope you understand it well. Now you have to practice it.